I would go to my high school counselor and talk about my aspirations to go to college, and he felt or told me directly that I was not smart enough to go to college, and my SAT scores were extremely low. Having a learning disability, standardized exams were never a good match for me. Even though I was rejected due to my SAT scores, I was allowed to do a personal interview and I got into college. I did well. It was difficult for me with my challenges, but I did manage to make the dean's list and I graduated, started teaching elementary school. And then I was asked to start a program for students who had emotional and behavioral disorders. My goal in life was to always have students in my classroom feel really good about themselves and never feel less than because they had a learning difference or any difference at all. The relationship with the Mental Health Center of Denver, in particular the 2 Succeed program, started back in, I'm going to say approximately 2005. Kathy Arrett, who works for the 2 Succeed program, works extensively with the Access Center, which is Metro State University's Disability Service Office. She refers several students through the Mental Health Center of Denver to our program if they're interested in attending college, turning their lives around, and getting a new start in life. We service students who are bipolar, students who have schizophrenia, who have systemic illnesses, who are dealing with depression and anxiety. The list basically goes on. Many of the students who come to us are oftentimes homeless students who are also registered with the 2 Succeed program. And through that agency, through our agency, they're able to pursue their education and give back to society and become productive members of society. Naomi is an incredible young woman, and she is a trooper. She has multiple disabilities. Some of them fall under the area of medical, systemic illnesses, mental illnesses, learning disabilities. She did her undergraduate work here at Metro in social work, and she interned with me, and she was extremely successful and walked proudly when she got her master's degree in social work just this past year.